get started, click subscribe and catch and gives you a thumbs up. Today we're playing Lightning Run roller coaster. Here we go. I'm so excited. Better be a good roller coaster ride. I like this. It looks so cool. I want to play. Ooh, whoa, it does look like drop zone. Yeah. Wait, which one? Which one we go? I think this. Yes. Now wait. Isn't it? I hate this game. I can't move. There. No, I'm not doing it. I want to go on that roller coaster. I can't. Yeah. I only can stay on here. Won't let me go. Come here. Yeah, they can go on the grass, I think. So, how do I get on the roller coaster, guys? I hate this game. Yeah, and then traps and traps. I'm scared. Exit. Of what? The drop zone. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just gonna sit there and wait because that's the only ride that's not good. Where's the drop zone? No, I have to wait. Nah. I want to be a pilot. Who's doing it? Let me go in. I want to go in the drop zone. I want to have a turn. Please, I have to wait. Everywhere it's going. I can't go that thing. Please go up. Come on, go up. Why? Please, someone go up. I want to go up. Yes. scared. Ah! I think I go faster. Am I stuck? Help! I'm stuck. Twist. Wait, what? Ah! What do I do? Please. Finally, I get to ride a ride, guys. That was scary. That was so sketch. Like, sketch. That was so sketchy. So scary. Now, what else can I do? Ride. Here. Let's see. What rides should we go on now? There are rides on that. I'm not going to ride. What's this ride? Yeah. What? What? Seriously? This is scary. Ready? This is scary. Guys, this is insane. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't like doing this. This is scary. I don't like going sideways. Little bumps, little bumps. That is scary. That was scary. That part was scary. It's almost up. No, I'm like, that part is scary. Let me out. Let me out. Stop. 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 Yes. My face. I'm gonna leave. I had to do that so I can get out of there. Next ride, that was so insane. Oh, I'm so that's so scary. Should I do it again? No, I liked that one. Was my favorite. So that was scary. I thought that part. That's it. That's all the rides. 2? What? Which one should I go on again? Guys, if there's only 2 rides, I'm ending the video. Because I just want to go on more rides than 2. Wait. Exits. Away from that. There are only 2 rides. I'm just leaving the bed. Here we go. Let's go see. There's 2 rides. Yep, that's all the rides. 2. I hope you like this video. If you did, I'll go to part 2, but not on this one. I hope you like this video. If you did, smash the like button, give us a huge thumbs up. Bye. I don't like this game, but bye.